going to make a powerful weapon.
A ninja star.
Yes, it is called Shuriken in Japanese. We are going to learn how to make it. So let's begin. First, we need to take the short edge and fold it towards the long edge. From here to here.
Yeah. Don't need to make this too hard.
Now let's flip the paper.
Oh.
No, Ronnie, this is not a mistake. We need to take the down side of the paper, fold it towards the up, and check. Is it at the correct crease line? Look, there is no paper extra coming out.
That's right.
Let's make it sharp. We need to tear this part out.
Yes.
I'm not using a scissor as we don't need the edges to be very clean.
It is so clean.
See, I've got a perfect square.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Yeah. Okay. Let's fold this paper in half first, okay? So, don't forget these edges should be very clean or else the ninja star might not fly.
Gotcha. Yeah. We don't need so sharp. Got it.
Let us take the top edge and fold it to the crease line which we got right in the middle.
No. Yeah. And
Did you understand?
there we go. Is it fine?
Is the edge clean? Yeah, that's better. Now, the downside, just repeat.
That's okay.
Yes. And it's
Clean.
clean.
Now we need to do that. Okay.
Now, it's simple. Let's just close.
Yeah.
And close.
Okay. Just need to close like this and make the edges sharp.
See, we have got a straight standing line. See, even Ronnie has gotten it. We need to fold this in half now.
Like
So, let us take these two edges and fold it to the down edges.
yes. I'm just not reaching. Yes. Now reach.
Don't get too many folds in the middle.
See?
Okay, we got a crease line right in the middle. Let's take, this part might be a little tricky, but it should be simple. Let's take the one of the corners and
One of the corners.
and this long edge which you see, fold it straight and align it with the crease line. Right, yeah, right, just like that. Look, Roni has done it perfectly. Roni got it so easily, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, just like this. Now, this side, don't fold it towards the down, but take the downer part and fold it towards the up.
I'm making it ultra so it is easy.
Yeah. So up. See, this went up. So we'll get something like a S. Something like a S.
Like this.
Now let's flip.
Now let's flip it like this.
Let's make it like this. Let's just take this square which we have to make it a triangle. So let's take this edge, fold it like this.
Yes.
It should form, it should be aligned with this part. By mistake, don't do it like this. Then it will go totally wrong.
Now it is like this now.
No, we have to do this side also.
Oh.
This side also. Turn it. Take it and fold it. Yes. See, we have got it.
Yes, I am not ready.
Now, just like Roni told last time, take this.
No.
Take this and put it here. Here. Like this.
Put this here. Mine is not ready. Some problem.
Do you need my help? Yeah. Roni has also got us. Now you observe carefully. It might be a bit tricky. So let's put this here. We need to close only one flap. It's like closing a cardboard box. Let's put this here. Take this. Put this here on top of it. Let's take the green edge again and put it on top of the yellow. We need to fold this edge a bit. See, so that it can go inside easily. 1 minute. Let me clean this. Yeah. Now, just take this. Open the pocket. 1 minute. Yeah. It fit. See, now we just slide it in. Okay, that's gone, and let's slide it. There we go.
Now can I press it?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Now can I press it now?
Yeah, now Roni. Give it a press.
Now can I press it like this? Okay.
Okay. See, it has become such a cool ninja star.
Green and yellow ninja star.
Yeah. So friends, our ninja star is ready. We can throw it in 2 ways.
We can throw it straight.
We can throw it sleeping. It is very fun to play with a ninja star. We both want to play with a ninja star, so let's have a fun time.